Hi everybody, Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello here with another alert. We're bumped up to a severe weather alert ahead of this storm system for tonight. Some new information in. National Weather Service going ahead and expanding the winter storm warning again, now to include the Cape. With new data in, continuing to point to some heavy snowfall. We're looking at a high impact event. We also have some strong winds with this storm. The strongest will be over the islands, where we could get some gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. So that area now under a high wind warning. 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts along the coastline. Here's a look at the snowfall forecast. I've been looking at some new data just coming in. No reason to change the forecast right now. 8 to 12 inches likely for much of the area, and I do think we'll see some spots over a foot. The most likely area to see over a foot of snow is north of Providence. And then near the coastline, we're still going to be right on the edge of possibly mixing with some sleet or some rain for a time tomorrow morning. So that's why I'm still going to keep the amounts just a little bit lower. But if you stay all snow, we're in the 12-inch range too. Here's the afternoon forecast. We're going to continue to cloud up, temperatures staying chilly, upper 20s to near 30 degrees, and staying dry. It's not until later this evening and tonight that we'll start to see that snow beginning around 8 to 10 o'clock tonight. Winds are going to be increasing, heavy snowfall overnight and tomorrow morning, and that's going to lead to near whiteout conditions. It's going to be very difficult to travel. Then tomorrow, with blowing and drifting snow, continuing to see some light to moderate snow through the morning and day hours, I think travel will still be difficult. We're also going to be watching for a flash freeze across southeast parts of our area where the temperatures rapidly drop. Anyone that sees that sleet or rain mixture. So plan on that snow arriving overnight tonight. Going to be seeing snow-covered roadways, that storm system lifting northward. This is 8 o'clock in the evening. Leading edge of the snow starting to push in. We could see rates of 1 to 2 inches of snow per hour overnight tonight and early tomorrow. As the storm drifts by to the south of us, we'll see the snowfall intensity easing up, but it may be until the evening hours before it completely ends. Here's a closer look and want to show you the temperatures that we've been talking about, with the potential for temperatures near 30 degrees at 11 o'clock at night. Then we may warm a couple of degrees here as the night goes on, so potentially warm enough to see some of that mixing at times. But watch what happens to the temperatures tomorrow morning. Starts off northwest. You can see Smithfield in the upper 20s. We drop down about 10 degrees in just an hour or two's time from northwest to southeast. So that happens in Providence and then eventually down to the coastline too. And so the afternoon could get very slippery at our shoreline community. And as far as the winds go, here's what we're looking at: 40 to 50 along the coastline, 30 to 40 miles per hour further inland. And again, right along the islands could get some gusts over 50 miles per hour starting overnight tonight, and we still have that going on tomorrow morning. So as the day goes on, gusty winds, blowing and drifting snow will continue, even though the worst storm will be over. So travel conditions going to be very tricky first half of the day on Thursday, but some gradual improvements in the second. Here's that 3-day forecast. We get through with the storm on Thursday, cold and dry weather settling in for Friday and the weekend.